Got this fair value gap right there. Let's see how price behaves in there. So if you want to trade deeper into that 5, and then get an inversion. Maybe a 1-minute inversion is much more favorable. So we might have created a new inversion. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we created a new iFVG right here. So once we inverse that, I can take that. So let's see if this candle can inverse it nicely, not too aggressively. 4, 3, 2. Yep, and I'm in.
Order filled.
In these YM longs. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside here. Take profit up there. Let's get a nice push on price here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Exactly what I like to see. When the trade starts playing out immediately, I love that. I love that. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Stops are a break even for sure here. I think we can probably squeeze more out of this. I don't know. Let's see how it acts when I get there. Once we hit our objective and start hesitating, I'm just gonna pull out. So let's keep it pushing. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Moving my stops all the way like in profit here. All the way in profit. You know what? It's a Friday. We should just take out profits, right? Instead of trying to be greedy. Boom. TP, full TP hit. Let's see how we behave here. If we start misbehaving, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Banger trade, banger trade, banger trade. We're in a 1-minute fair value gap, so I'm not trying to take that chance. Boom. That is that for me. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm done with this trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. And this is exactly how it's done. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with anybody you think may value from this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.